Once, a devotee dreamt that Baba was standing in a river with water up to his knees. The devotee then asked Baba, "Oh, Baba, how can I prostrate to you if your feet remain within the water?" Then Baba replied, "What is the effort you made to attain my feet?" It increased the devotee's yearning for Baba. When the devotee's yearning grew, Baba took out his feet from the water, which enabled the devotee to worship Baba. It implies that you cannot attain Baba's feet even if they are very near you until and unless you possess devotion.
Anandame Sai Namame Anandame Sai Namame Adbhutame Sai Geetame Adbhutame Sai Geetame Akhandame Jyotirmayame Akhandame Jyotirmayame Sundarame Sai Rupame Ati Sundarame Sai Rupame Anandame Sai Namame Adbhutame Sai Geetame Akhandame Jyotirmayame Sundarame Sai Rupame Ati Sundarame Sai Rupame